Good morning to everybody. So already I think ma'am completed till question number 3. So today we will start question number 4. Find the multiplicative inverse of minus 13. Multiplicative inverse of minus 13. What is the multiplicative inverse of a by b? Multiplicative inverse of a by b is what? B by a. Multiplicative inverse of a by b is what? B by a. Multiplicative inverse of minus a by b, minus b by a. Are you getting there? Yes. Now, tell me the answer for multiplicative inverse of minus 13. Multiplicative inverse of minus 13 is what? Minus 1 by 13. That means what? Just to take the reciprocal. Second part. Multiplicative inverse of minus 13 by 19. That means what? Take the reciprocal. That means 19 by minus 13. Otherwise, write in the standard form. That is minus 19 by 13. It is nothing but minus 19 by 13. Are you getting there? Yes. Come to the third part now. Multiplicative inverse of 1 by 5. Multiplicative inverse of 1 by 5. Take the reciprocal 5 by 1. Am I right? Yes. Now, come to the fourth part. Multiplicative inverse of minus 5 by 8 into minus 3 by 7. That is, first you simplify that. Minus 5 by 8 into minus 3 by 7 it is given. Am I right here? Yes. So minus into minus is plus. 15. 8 7s are 56. 15 by 56. Now what is the multiplicative inverse of 15 by 56? Yes. 56 by 15. 56 by 15. Am I right? Yes. Now, subdivision 5. Multiplicative inverse of minus 1 into minus 2 by 5. Minus 1 into minus 2 by 5. That is nothing but minus 1 into minus 2 by 5 is plus 2 by 5. Minus 1 into minus 2 by 5 is what? Plus 2 by 5. So multiplicative inverse of 2 by 5 is 5 by 2. 5 by 2. Are you getting there? Yes. And then last subdivision. Multiplicative inverse of minus 1. Multiplicative inverse of minus 1. Please remember, what is the multiplicative inverse of 1 and minus 1? Yes, itself. Multiplicative inverse of 1 and minus 1 is what? Itself. Because minus 1 into minus 1 is what? Plus 1. 1 into 1 is 1. So multiplicative inverse of 1 and minus 1 is itself. Am I right here? Then additive inverse of 0 is itself. Additive inverse of 0 is 0. Multiplicative inverse of 1 and minus 1 is itself. Are you getting there? Yes. Now look at the question number 5 now. Look at the question number 5. Name the property under multiplication used in each of the following. Question number 5. First subdivision it is given. Minus 4 by 5 into 1 equal to 1 into minus 4 by 5, which is equal to minus 4 by 5. Which property is used here? Yes, one is what? Multiplicative identity. If any number is multiplied by 1 or 1 is multiplied with any number, you will get the same number. Am I right? This property is called as what here? Multiplicative identity. Multiplicative identity. Name the property, multiplication property used here. Which property is used here? Multiplicative identity. Are you getting there? Yes. Now look at the second part now. Minus 13 by 17 into minus 2 by 7 equal to minus 2 by 7 into minus 13 by 17. So today morning only we discussed. What is that? Commutative properties satisfy under multiplication of two rational number. That means A into B equal to B into A. Here A and B are any two numbers. So A into B equal to B into A. Therefore, which property is used here? Commutative property. Commutative property. Are you getting here? Yes. Now, come to the third part. It is given minus 19 by 29. Third part, minus 19 by 29 into 29 by minus 19, which is equal to 1. Which is equal to 1. It is called what? It is called A into 1 by A equal to 1 by A into A, which is equal to what? 1. A into 1 by A equal to 1 by A into A, which is equal to 1? 1. So therefore it is what? Multiplicative inverse. It is what, dear? Multiplicative inverse. Multiplicative inverse. Are you getting there? Yes. Shall we move to the next question? Yeah. Question number 6. Multiply 6 by 13 by the reciprocal of minus 7 by 16. Question number 6. Multiply 6 by 13 by the reciprocal of multiply 6 by 13 by the reciprocal of minus 7 by 16. So what is the record number now? According to the question, record answer is 6 by 13 by the reciprocal of this one. Multiply 6 by 13 by the reciprocal of minus 7 by 16. So reciprocal of minus 7 by 16 means what? Minus 16 by 7. Minus 16 by 7. If it is reduced into the lowest, it is 6 by 13, not 6 by 3. 6 by 13 into minus 16 by 7. If it is reduced into the lowest form, do that. Otherwise, just you multiply the numerator as well as the denominator. So 16 into 6 is 10 6 are 60, 6 6 are 36, then 96, 13 into 7. 10 7s are 70, 3 7s are 21, 17 into 3 is 91. Am I right here? So minus 96 by 91. Minus 96 by 91. Then, 7th question. Question number 7. Tell the property allows you to compute 1 by 3 into 1 by 3, it is question number 7, 1 by 3 into 6 into 4 by 3 as 1 by 3 into 6 into 4 by 3 as 1 by 3 into 6 into 4 by 3. Name the property. Yes, it is associative property. Am I right here? So when we are doing the multiplication problem, that order is not a matter. Order is not a matter. You can change the order in any way. That is associative property. For our convenience, we can change in any order. For example, if it is given like 4 into 16 into 25. So when you are multiplying 4 into 16, 64, 64 into 25, it will take some time. It will take 1 minute, right? But when you are changing the order like 4 into 25 into 16, 4 into 25 is what? 100. 100 into 16, 1600. Am I right here? So when we are performing the multiplication of any number, that order is not a matter. That is, you can write the numbers in any order. Are you getting there? Yes. Thank you everybody. And the 3 more questions are there. We will discuss in the next video. Thank you.